Since I'm a child, my face gets red easily. But when I was a teenager, I started suffering acne rosacea. Now I'm 37 years old. Within years, it's getting worse. I was in different treatments as laser, isotretinoin, doxycycline, which gave me digestion issues. I used very expensive creams. I used natural stuff, I was told, coconut oil, tea tree oil, masks, apple cider vinegar, strict diets, going to the dermatologist very often, but none of these gave me good results. I was very depressed. Every day I woke up to see in the mirror how it was getting even worse because I decided to stop the doxycycline due to my stomach problems. Besides, I am intolerant to gluten and sometimes lactose. I decided to experiment with a product I found at home. There was nothing online about it, but I took the chance. Before I tell you what it is and how I use it, you must be aware to try first in a small area because some people may be very sensitive to it. And this is my number one product: baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. I buy the big box because I use it to clean the house, and I just keep a small amount in a pot in the bathroom. The first step is to take a teaspoon of baking soda in your hand. Something like this. Then we add some drops of water until it's like a cream or paste to apply easily. You mix it with your finger. It's a little watery, but I'm going to use it anyways. Now you can apply in a small area first. I will apply all over my face gently. This product is abrasive, so don't rub too much or you will scratch your skin. My skin was previously clean, no makeup. I do this 5 minutes before getting in the shower every day. Very important that you don't use other harsh products when doing this, like vinegar, because it will hurt your skin. One day I used a cleanser before doing this and my face got red and hot. That shouldn't happen. The baking soda was reacting to that product I used earlier that day. So right now I'm not using anything else, just the baking soda with the drops of water. When finished applying, we let it dry for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, it's dry and I will get in the shower to rinse it very well. Use all the water you need to remove all the residues around the nose, especially because if there is any left, you will feel it's itchy and sensitive like a sunburn. At the end, your skin must feel smooth. Then dry gently with your towel. Now the skin feels a little tight and shiny because it is very clean. And it's time to apply my second secret product, the argan oil. I use organic from any health food store. Argan oil is not comedogenic. It won't give you more pimples. I can't use coconut oil because it is comedogenic and makes my face break out really bad. Now my face is extremely soft and clean with these drops of argan oil. And this is my routine to control my acne rosacea. It is very cheap and natural. I don't take any other medicine. I can use hypoallergenic makeup when I want, and it won't feel my skin ill. It may not work for some people, this whole treatment, but I hope that somebody benefits from it like I did. So many years trying and giving up until now I can say I can have a break from this skin condition. If it doesn't help you, I really hope that you find a natural solution soon. I will make more videos in this YouTube channel about my experiences with acne rosacea and my lifestyle. I hope you join me with this. Please comment what you would like to see for the next video. Thank you. Bye.